My name is Matthew Gunn. I am the Vice President and owner of Classic Kitchens of Virginia. We design and remodel or install kitchens, bathrooms, bars, libraries, and other rooms that have cabinetry or casework. I met Evan over a decade ago when he had House Trends magazine, and we were featured in House Trends. We also advertised in House Trends, and I've been staying in touch with Evan into his new venture, Colonial Floors of Virginia. Evan has helped me primarily with hardwood flooring, hardwood floor installation, hardwood floor sanding and finishing. I choose subcontractors that communicate well, that I can feel comfortable leaving in someone's house, people who are going to stand behind their work. Evan is systematic and organized. Communication skills are fantastic, and it dovetails nicely with our approach and our project management.